Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato vegetable soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 large potatoes, peeled and diced, along with 1 cup each of carrots and celery, finely chopped. Don't forget a good quality vegetable broth, maybe 4 cups, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they start to soften and become fragrant. Next, add your diced potatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Once your potatoes and other hearty vegetables are tender, it's time for the finishing touches. If you're adding any delicate vegetables like frozen peas or corn, stir them in now and let them cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs to your liking. Let the soup rest off the heat for a few minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious, homemade potato vegetable soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and, if you like, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a dollop of sour cream for extra richness. This comforting soup is perfect on its own or served with some crusty bread. It's a simple, hearty meal that's sure to warm you up. For more great cooking tips and to find a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.